Hi, welcome to Snowbit. So today we are learning what is taxonomy in ServiceNow. Imagine your company uses a ServiceNow to manage IT support requests. The taxonomy in this case, the taxonomy in this case helps you organize these requests that they are easier to handle. Like, see, this is the content of taxonomy. It will contain our request, article, employee communication, quick links, and the curated experience like a navigation, dynamic topic pages, and home page widgets. It's like a website where you can find all the relatable links which you are using for your future work. For example, there is a top level categories in service now like a IT service or HR service. In IT service, it's a category that includes all type of IT related support. HR service include human resource related support. Under IT services, there are category like hardware, software, and network. In hardware, there will be a subcategory of laptop, desktop, printer. In software, there will be a operating system, email, network. There is a Wi-Fi, VPN, and other. In Wi-Fi, there is a lot of subcategory. So to navigate all these topics to make easier to the end user, we will use taxonomy in service now. Okay, for example, okay, here is a representation like IT service. Under IT service, it will come hardware, software, and network. Under network, it will run laptop, desktop, printer. Under the software, operating system, office application, email. For example, there are so many services provided by the IT company to the employee. For example, if my laptop is not working, okay, there will be a portal in IT service. If I come and write to a service, there will be a thousands of category which I don't know. If you don't use the taxonomy, so if I using a taxonomy, means it is easy to navigate. Okay, I know it's hardware and hardware it's a laptop like that. To make navigation easy, we will use taxonomy. And how it will work in service now, like user submit a request. For example, yeah, my laptop is not working. I will go under IT services. I will go under hardware and Wi-Fi. So ticket will be created. Then ticket will go to IT service team, and they will resolve accordingly. So the structured taxonomy ensures that the problem is efficiently addressed. And benefits of taxonomy is efficiency, organization, reporting. See, reporting it should be easier, and we can organize the large volume of request, and we can efficiency by categorizing issues. We are going with the definition what ServiceNow gives to the taxonomy. In ServiceNow, taxonomy refers to the structured classification and organization of data within the platform. This can be include categories, hierarchies, and relationships between different data elements, helping user to efficiently navigate, manage, and report on the information stored in the system. Especially taxonomy in ServiceNow can involve categories and subcategories, CMDB, service portfolio and offering and data classification. For example, in CMDB, that is configuration management database, under that there is lots various configuration item CIs and their attributes. So if you want more simplified version, like what is taxonomy? Uh, Imagine ServiceNow is like a big library where people go to find and fix things, just like how you are going to library to find books. Now, in this library, instead of books, there are a lot of different problems, solutions, and information about things people use at work. To make it easy to find what you need, everything is put into categories uh, like in library there will be fiction, science, history. In service now this might be a computer, email, software, equipment, and under each big section there will be a smaller section. Like in under computer there will be laptop, desktop, and printers. By organizing everything this way, when someone has a problem with their laptop, they can quickly find the right section and get the help they need, just like finding a specific book in the library. Finally, this organization system in ServiceNow is called a taxonomy. It helps everyone find what they're looking for quickly and easily. So now I will show in uh, ServiceNow itself taxonomy is looks like. So I opened my personal developer instance. In that I opened employee center portal. See, in employee center portal they given popular topics: computer, phone, accessory, developer instance, quick links. See here in the top left there is a technology service. Under that, see, this is the categories: hardware, software, network. Under hardware, it will computer, printer, accessories, phone and mobility. Under software, it will come email account access. Under network, VPN, network issue. If I go computer also, there will be so many categories under computer. See, so many requests, so many article. This all will comes under taxonomy. So as we go further, we will understand more topics of service now in depth. So if you understand this topic, it will be helpful when you're giving interview or when you are going through in service now. So this is a new channel. If you like this video, please click on like button, share and subscribe. I will bring more such videos which include more and deeper definition and understanding of a single topics within a short time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.